Hey, question. Are your finances keeping you up at night?
Yes.
ಇಲ್ಲ
No.
Yes, absolutely.
नहीं.
Not at all.
Well, get this, 41% of consumers said yes. They are losing sleep over their finances.
Wow, that's a lot.
நான் எதிர்பார்க்கல
I'm a little surprised the number is not higher.
We all know that the COVID-19 pandemic has increased financial anxiety and stress, but how much do you think it has increased for business leaders? Do you think 50%, 100%, or more than 100%?
Yeah, I would say somewhere between 50 to 75%.
Yo creo que 50%.
50%.
Over 100%.
For business leaders, financial stress and anxiety increased by 186% because of the pandemic.
Oh my God.
Whoa, that's a lot. Okay, I didn't see that coming.
Es mucho, es demasiado.
Do you think business leaders would trust a robot more than themselves to manage money?
No, I don't think so.
Well, it's debatable, 50-50.
No creo que sea así.
Well, 73% of business leaders said yes, they would trust a robot more than themselves to manage money. And 77% said they would even trust a robot more than their own finance teams.
Actually, I'm going to take my answer back. Let's start over. Yes.
Wow, okay.
Oh, es una respuesta que me sorprende.
That's interesting.
We know that money is emotional, and in the pandemic, things have only heightened. But with the assistance of technology, with something that is purely data-driven and objective, we are far more equipped now than ever to make those big financial decisions and really come on the other side of it feeling victorious.